Hello, welcome, 5 simple steps to go from average to fortune. Let me inspire you on this simple talk on how to go from average to fortune. There's 5 simple steps you might like to make a note of them. Here's the first one. Get serious. That's number 1. I don't know any substitute for that. You've really got to get serious. You don't have to be grim, but you must be serious. To go from average to fortune, you must get serious, and you must get serious about 2 very important things. Number 1 is setting your goals and where you want to go. Designing the next 5, the next 10 years is so vitally important. What do you want to do economically? Where do you want to go? What do you want to be? What would you like to have? What would you like to share? How much would you like to earn? How far would you like to go? Those are some major questions to ask, and for that all to work out like you wanted to for the next 5 or 10 years. In my personal opinion, you've got to get serious. Then you have to get serious about another important subject, and that important subject is called personal development. Personal development is striving hard to become the kind of person that you want to be, and to become the kind of person you want to be, you've got to work at it. 10 years from now, you will surely become someone. The big question is who, what are you becoming? And if you go to work on it now, sure enough, in a very short period of time you can take on a new direction to become the kind of person you want to be. There's a very important question to ask, and the question is 10 years from now you will surely arrive, and the question is, where? So to answer the question of where you want to arrive and the kind of person you want to be, you've got to get serious. So that's point number 1. To make your life worthwhile and unique, to go from average to fortune, you've got to get serious. Now the second point is, get smart. To make your life work out worthwhile, you've got to have some ideas, you've got to have the information. So you've got to be smart. In fact, in this decade you must be much smarter than you were in the last decade. You've got to read the books, you've got to come up with the information. Get smart. There's nothing worse than being stupid, and if you will read the books, learn from your experiences, do all the things that you possibly can to get the information, sure enough, you'll be wiser this year than you were last year. You just must keep up the steady process of learning. Never cease your quest for knowledge, and that's one of the key points to go from average to fortune. Get smart. Now, here's number 3, you've got to get going. Get going. All of the things that you've learned will not do you that much good if you don't put it into an action plan. You've got to get going. Put all the good things that you've learned into action: economic action, social action, personal action, how to make the changes and how to actually do the work, how to actually function. Get going. That's the key. Some people are ever learning, but they don't put it into action. They don't really take the action. It's like the man who keeps bringing materials to the building site, and never builds anything. He keeps bringing in the sand and the gravel and the windows and the doors and the roofing material, and he just stacks up all these supplies, but he never builds anything. You've got to do something with what you've learned. You've got to take action. You've got to get going. Learn how to design your days, how to design your weeks, how to design the months, so that you take the proper action to get the proper return that you're looking for, whether it's economic or personal. Get going. It's a major key. Now here's number 4. You must get excited, and not just the false enthusiasm of just pure positive thinking. You've got to get excited over some very basic things. One is get excited over your ability to make yourself do the necessary things, because discipline is major step 1 toward personal progress, and anytime a person wishes to, they can make major changes in their life starting today. Get excited about committing an act that's positive, an act that's constructive, to make the changes in your life that you want made and to go the direction that you want to go. Get excited about your potential. Human capacity is usually never the problem. Little children can learn several languages, but we can learn to do the most incredible things. All we need to do is take the time to do it. So it's not a matter of capacity. It's a matter of judgment, it's a matter of excitement, it's a matter of will. Knowing that intellectually and personally you can actually do the things that will make major changes in your life. Number 5. Develop a growth mindset. Adopt a mindset focused on growth and improvement. Embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and see setbacks as temporary obstacles. Cultivate resilience, perseverance, and a belief in your ability to continuously develop and achieve greater success. With a growth mindset, you'll approach situations with a positive and optimistic attitude, paving the way for fortune. Here is a few bonuses: focus on value creation, solve a problem, identify a pressing problem or unmet need in your industry or community, and create a solution for it. Develop a product or service that addresses that problem and adds value to people's lives. Provide exceptional customer service, delight your customers by going above and beyond their expectations. Offer personalized support, timely responses, and a seamless experience that sets you apart from your competitors. Share knowledge and expertise. Share your expertise through content creation. Write blog posts, record videos, or host webinars to provide valuable insights and help others overcome challenges in your field. Embrace challenges. Instead of shying away from challenges, actively seek them out. Take on new projects or responsibilities that push your limits and provide opportunities for growth. Thanks for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.